let's run through the new stuff one time and then do just the newest. If that's all right. So let's go from here. Step back and walk down. Out. Turn. Switch. Turn. Switch. Turn. Switch. Turn. One more. Switch. Turn. Open. Down. Open. Cut. Lock. Slide. All right. Cut. Pull. Cut. Turn. Keep the sword up. Yeah. Pull. Cut. Block. Right. Pull. Cut. Turn and block. Right. Pull. Cut. Keep the left hand up. Drop the right to your hip. Turn. Turn. Keep turning. Horse head. Right. Yep. So you'll keep the, so from here, keep the left hand up like this. It'll rotate, drop the right hand to your hip, turn to your left, and rotate this saber above the wrist. Yeah, turn and cut up. Keep the right hand up, drop the left, turn and cut up. Drop the right, keep the left hand up, cut up. Good. That again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, reset. We'll pretend. Let's go from here one last time, and then we'll just do the new one. Yes, sir.
Good.
Turn. Switch. Turn. Switch. Turn. Switch. Turn. Switch. Turn. Step and open. Down. Lock. Cut. Lock. Strike. Pull. Cut. Cut. Lock. Strike. Pull. Cut. Lock. Strike. Pull. Cut. Lock. Strike. Pull. Cut. Keep the left hand up. Drop the right hand to the hip. Turn. Cut. Right. Switch. Left. Switch. Cut. Right. Good. Reset.
Sir.
Now, let's just do the cuts up. So let's go from here. Drop right, turn, cut. Boom. Yes. Drop left, turn, cut, short. And last, 3. Good. Reset.
Sir.
Drop right, turn, step to a horse. Step around to a horse. Or we'll step around that right foot. Up. Try it again. Through here. And drop the right hand, and then turn to your left. Turn. Step forward.
Okay.
Yes. Again. And once more. Yes. Okay. Try it again. Right foot forward. Drop right hand, turn all the way left, step with the right foot. A big cut, big cut, big cut. Nice. All right, try it again now. Try it on your own, short-term memory. Yes, sir. As soon as you turn around. Bet you'll put it in the dirty cold hamper next time.
Is that first turn bigger than the?
Yeah.
It is, right?
Because the stance was, you were shifted all the way to the right leg,
Right.
but it helps you push out of it. Or,
Okay. Yeah, cause the second two feel shorter.
yeah, they are shorter.
Just a little bit.
Right, you need less momentum power. Yeah. Yep, that's right. Drop right, yep, there you go. Yes, ma'am. That's right. That's right. Yep. Yes.
I'm trying to think of what you're saying, like you're holding up, and you're slicing.
Uh-huh. It does look really funny.
What you're doing, Mr. King.
If we can see that one. Nice. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so next class we'll go over these. So let's run this together and I'll show you at the end.
Sir.
What was that pickup we were doing?
Need
Not that one,
to-
not this one, yeah, that one. Let's go. All right, let's go. 1, 2. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shift to a slight bow, right, or bow, it's just a bow. Bring your left hand in, a slight bow, and you're gonna cross, boom. Same way you did, yeah, so cross, boom, circle, like, straight down. So when you do the circle, pretend that you hit something really hard with the hilt. Yeah. So now, cross, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, 1, 2. 1 with the left portion, and then down. Cross, boom, 1, 2, down. There's 3 of those, okay? So we're just trying to get the timing on that, yeah. And go all the way forward, let's do it again.
Sir.
So you just, what we just do, yeah, we just finished here, come left, shift to a left bow, bring the sword over to your left shoulder, because you're gonna block with the back of it. Block with the back, boom. 2. Yeah. So now watch the timing, look, it goes 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 4. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, down. Now you have to bring the sword. You have to bring the sword all the way past you to get that timing right. If your circle's too small, it'll feel weird. Yeah.
Counterweight.
Yeah, it's a counterweight, exactly. Let's go back.
Sir.
It's also to make sure we don't get our ankles tore up.
Yes, sir.
All right, so block that away from me. Get that away from me, because if they don't hit this ankle, look, what's in front, what's behind this ankle? Your other ankle. So you better move it and hit it hard. So cross, boom. 1, 2. Down. With the back of your blade, Miss Hale, like this. Yeah. So don't rotate it in your hand though. Keep it like this, just turn your hand. Yeah. So when you come back, boom, circle. Same way we do when we do the roll, when we do that roll. It's kind of like that, yeah. So you block back, boom, forward, down. Yes, boom, down, boom. So after the third one, we're gonna circle, same circle. 1, and we're gonna circle it again, but when we do it, we're gonna like skip forward, gallop forward. And continue that motion with a cut. Don't drop the knee, I just dropped it so I can see.
Yeah.
Feet together.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, come right up.
Sir.
So a lot of the other moves will require some timing, right? You have to just, it comes with coordination. But you bow to Yes, that's right, okay, about a first degree apprentice instructor, first degree, advanced, and intermediate, that works, very good.